Alright, today we got the 2025, the next gen Ford Ranger Raptor. And kasama natin ngayon si Sir Marjen. Shoutout sir. And shoutout sa Ford Pampanga, no, by Laos Auto Group dito sa San Fernando for letting me drive or test drive this 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor. So start natin siya. Sir, how much is this Ford Ranger Raptor, sir?
Ford Ranger Raptor is 2.3, sir.
2.3 million pesos. And then this beast has a 210 horsepower with 500 Newton meters of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission with the e-shifter. So samahan nyo ako, let's take it for a drive. But before that, tignan muna natin yung exterior look niya. Napakaganda ng color ng the next gen Ranger Raptor na to, no? It has 17-inch alloy wheels, no, with power folding side mirrors, turn indicators, meron din siyang ilaw dyan. This thing is a beast, no? Ang ganda ng C-clamps niya paired with the LED lights with the LED fog lamps with that big Ford badging, no? Ang ganda rin sa likod niya with that huge Ford emblem, no? Assist din ang kanyang tailgate. Meron na rin siyang bed liner, so easy to close. Meron siyang tow hook dito, dalawa, sa harap at saka sa likod. And then sa likod, maluwang siya. Meron din siyang air conditioning dito with a 2 USB socket with a 230 volts and 400 watts max, no? Then meron siyang grab handles dito para madaling sumakay. 10-way adjustable seat sa harapan. 12-inch infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Integrated na rin yung kanyang controls, automatic climate controls dito sa 12-inch instrument panel niya. And then meron siyang wireless charger connected with the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Itong shift knob niya dito with the leather shift knob. Meron siyang 2 cup holders dito. Automatic park, traction control system. Meron siyang 7 drive modes. Meron siyang 4 high, 4 low, 2 high, 4A. Yung drive modes niya, meron siyang normal, meron siyang sport, slippery, mud, sand, baha or pangbaha. And then in the Philippines they call it pangbaha or for the flood. And then the rock claw, meron din siya, no? Wow. So dun lang tayo sa normal, since nandito lang tayo sa city, dito sa Laos Center. What else? It has these orange accent, no? Black plastic cladding here with the yung material niya dito is soft touch material with the plastic cladding here. And then here, meron ka mga indicators dyan. I like the automatic climate control na meron kang physical buttons dito ng volume and also the climate control system. I like that. And then napaka simple, seamless ng design niya, no? I think for me it's neat. straight lang siya dito. And then meron siya lalagyan dito. And then dito para kang feeling mo para kang piloto, no? Yung mga auxiliary niya with that. Pwede kong ilagay ito. Pero since sira yung salamin ko, dito na muna yan. Lagay muna natin yun dito. Meron siyang 12 volt socket pa doon. I like the seat of this Raptor because leather material siya with that Raptor badging. With that, meron siyang black roof, this black design dito sa ano niya. Okay. Nandyan lang siya. Okay. So let's take this beast for a test drive. Let's try this Apple CarPlay. Very responsive naman, no, ang kanyang Apple CarPlay. Okay. Let's go. I'm excited to test drive this beast. Meron nga pala tong feature like ADAS or ADAT they call it to Ford, from Ford, adaptive or advanced driving assist technology. Meron siyang mga cruise control, adaptive lane keep assist, and then yung mga features ng iba pang features ng advanced driving assist niya, no. There are plenty, and then ang haba ng mga features ng Ford Ranger Raptor na to. And then very few lang yung na-review natin for now. I like the Raptor badging here and the steering wheel. Yung leather type of material niya, okay naman. Meron siyang paddle shifters dito. Okay. Let's go. So let's take this beast for a drive. And then okay. Yon. Let's go. Oh my God. Ang laki ng feeling dito sa ano, no, sa Ford Ranger Raptor na to, and very what do you call that, parang very commanding yung presence mo dito sa Ford Ranger Raptor na to when you ride this Ford Ranger Raptor. And then this has a Fox shocks pala, guys. The suspension with the coil spring paired with Fox shocks. San ka pa? Oh my God. Saan tayo niyan, sir? Ikot?
Ikot lang.
Woo! Wow! You can definitely feel the power. And then this is a pickup truck, no? And at the same time, komportable siya. Ikot tayo dito, sir.
Pwede rin siya.
Isa pa. Tignan natin kung kaya niya yung U-turn. Kaya naman niya. Woo! Definitely hindi mo naramdaman yung rampa doon, no? Dahil dun sa shocks niya. Man, I wish I could bring this outside para talagang masubukan siya sa highway. But still, thank you Ford Pampanga for letting me test drive this beast. Wow. Excellent braking. Meron siya mga braking systems eh. Wow, you can feel the naririnig nyo ba yung roar ng 2.0 liter bi-turbo diesel? 210 horsepower, 500 Newton meters of torque. Ang lakas niya. And then ang sarap niyang gamitin. Whew! Nag-enjoy ako doon. Man! This thing definitely brings joy sa mukha mo. Ang sarap sa experience na i-drive to. Isa pa. Isa pa. Then meron nga pala tong 360 degree camera. Man, pag ikaw nagda-drive nito, hindi mo feel na parang malaki siya. Para lang siyang maliit. Pero when you look at it outside, the exterior look niya, ang laki niya. Ano masasabi mo, sir?
Very good, sir.
Very good. Man. Wow. That beast, that 2.0 liter bi-turbo diesel. Nagro-roar siya na parang Raptor. Man, thank you for the opportunity. Dito tayo liliko, sir, or doon? Wow. Definitely, if you have that money na pambili sa Raptor, definitely recommendable Raptor. Lalo na for this type of province, or this area na to dito sa Pampanga na lagi nagbabaha. Definitely recommendable Ford Ranger Raptor. And I was able to talk to someone kanina sa bibili sila ng 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor, and he was so amazing. Nakilala ko shoutout kay Sir Justin Fernando Garcia. Gusto niyang i-test drive ko yung kukunin yung unit, and then yung mga iba pang old units niya, so for future review. Shoutout Sir Justin Fernando Garcia. And then again, tignan natin tong beast na to sa labas. One more time. Wow, this beast. Wow. If I have the money, definitely I would buy this. Nice one, Ford Ranger Raptor. Thank you so much, Ford Pampanga, for letting me test drive this beast. Thank you so much for watching, guys.